Howdy. If your wipers are streaking, squeaking, or just not doing their job anymore, this is one of the easiest fixes you can do yourself. I'm going to show you how to replace all 3 wiper blades on my 2021 Honda Pilot in just a few minutes. You can see right here, these aren't clearing the window very well anymore. Time for a replacement. I've got all 3 right here. The driver's side is 26 inches, passenger is 24 inches, and the rear is 14 inches. Let's walk through each one. Let's start with the driver's side. Lift the wiper arm up off of the windshield. You'll see a small tab right here. You're going to press that in and slide the old wiper blade down to remove it. Now you'll take your new blade, open the tab, and you'll slide it onto the hook. All the way, and then close the tab. Check to make sure it's secure, and then set it back down on the windshield. And the passenger side is the exact same process. And now the rear blade. This one's a little different. You'll lift it up, you'll rotate it, and keep rotating it, and it'll pop right out. And now to put the new one in, you'll have it at a 90-degree angle to the hook. You'll line up the post, it'll slide in and click. And once it's in there, you rotate it until it clicks into place. And there we go. And that's it. Only took about 5 minutes, and it saves you a trip to the shop. Check out the description for the product links, and be sure to hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.